Hi guys, today we're gonna be looking at the code for the roller coaster, the 2018 roller coaster, not the new loop coaster that's coming out very soon. I'm definitely gonna get that set. Let's talk about that set later in future videos if I have it in some kind of day, and I'll probably put motors on that one. But now let's focus on the 2018 roller coaster. So the main program for making it run forever is this. So when the program starts, we set a variable that is called motor speed to 100. So that means that a motor speed is equal to 100. Of course, that does nothing. That just sets the value. Then we start the sound bowling, which is the sound you heard in the last video when it starts. And then we set the speed of the A motor to the motor speed, which is 100. And now we go into a forever loop, and we rotate the A motor. I think it's counterclockwise. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's that. And if you want to add options, you can make a remote control. So, yeah, here we have all these buttons. So this button is to make sounds, and this is to decrease the speed, which you can cameraman go down. Okay, now this is to decrease the speed of the motor. This is to increase the speed of the motor. So how do I program that? Well, it's very basic actually. So first, let's start with the sounds. So we have a when button B1 is pressed. That's when the yellow button is pressed. We repeat 2 times this loop, which we start the sound hammer, and then we wait 0.6 seconds. We start the sound hammer again, wait 0.0000001 seconds, and then we start the sound hammer and we wait 0.1 seconds. We start the sound hammer and we wait 0.5 seconds. We start the sound hammer and we wait 0.7 seconds. Then we start the sound hammer again. Now that's for the sound one, the yellow button. This is going to be for the pink button, I think. Let's just go check. Yeah, that's the sort of pink button. That means that when button B2 is pressed, that's the pink button. Here, this is the loop we're looking at right now. We changed the motor speed by -2, but of course we're not updating that speed. So first of all, we need to update the speed. So we set the speed of the A motor to the new motor speed, which is -2. Very clever programming there. Now we have when button B3 is pressed. That means when the button that is blue is pressed. We change the motor speed by 2. That means we increase the value. Then we set the A motor's speed to our new motor speed, which is 2. You could change this to a lower value for more precise values, but I find -2 and 2 are great. So yeah, if you guys want to look and test this out, let's just go. I'm gonna open this remote control, and now it shouldn't run. I connected my hub here, so when I run, I'm not in streaming mode. Look at this, guys. You always need to be in streaming mode right here. You can change this to streaming for a remote control option, or else it's gonna give you an error just like this. Look. So switch hub to streaming mode to run this program. So that is an error. You change this to streaming and it's going to fix it. Now we can see this. Now look at the roller coaster, guys. It goes on. But now, of course, I'm not pressing any buttons. So right now I'm going to press the sound button, which is going to play hammer sounds. So where are the construction workers? I don't know. There should be construction workers, but we haven't added that yet. Now let's decrease the speed of this roller coaster. Let's do that. Decrease the speed, dude. This is too fast. Press the pink button a lot of times. And now look at this. And you can of course increase the speed by pressing the blue button. Look at this. I press the blue button. And voila. Very clever programming is done into this, but very simple too. And very close. Decrease the speed again. Increase. Have fun with this. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. Yeah, especially like updating variables. That's a concept that is very important. Never forget that. And oh yeah, I forgot to show you this in the last video. This is an Easter egg. There's a hat. Somebody fell. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, bye.